Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm in a little bit of a different location today. I'm in my bathroom because today I am trying Boots' new skincare range. Super affordable. It's called Boots Glow. And I'm just filming on my phone in my bathroom. So I'm sorry if the quality is a bit rubbish, but you're gonna have to live with it. So all of this range, every item is £4. I picked this up in store, and you can also buy it online, and it's super cute. It's a beautiful pink colour, love it. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out tonight and kind of give you my first impression, and then I'm gonna try it for a week and then let you know how I feel. So I'm gonna take my makeup off with my makeup remover, tie my hair up, and yeah, we'll get into it all. So here I am with all of my makeup off. So the really cool thing about this range is when you buy it online, it tells you like which product to use first and next. So I am going to go off that, and I'll just like put a picture here of what I'm on about. So I am going to use their example. I don't have all the products because they didn't have all of them in store. I didn't want to order them online because Boots delivery is taking forever at the moment. So it is what it is. So first up, I'm trying this Boots Glow Cleansing Stick. You can see it there. It's quite hard to show you because it's like reflective packaging. I'm going to roll it up a little bit. It smells really good. And it feels really nice. And I'm just going to get a little flannel. I don't know, do I rub it in? I should have read the instructions. Twist stick, rub over skin, did that. Oh, I need to put some water on my face now. Let's read the descriptions. Just gonna, so I'm guessing it will like lather up a little bit. Very up close and personal with my face. So it's not really lathering up, but it does feel really nice. Okay, I'm gonna get a little flannel. There's a little flannel. Ooh. Boop. And just clean it. Wow, it's gotten loads excess makeup off. my poor white flannel. I'm always the worst at getting off like the mascara around my eyes because I really hate my eyes stinging. But there's my face. Nice and clean. Maybe just give it one more little rinse over. Yeah, it feels really nice to start with. Really great. So I've just patted my face dry, and now I'm going to try the Radiance Tonic. And this says, reading the ingredients, not the ingredients, the instructions. After cleansing, pour onto cotton pad and sweep across face. So I'm going to do that right now. Also smells really good. I know some people don't like fragrance in their skincare, and I totally get that. But I also love, I love the smell. Okay, so I've dampened oh, that feels really nice. Oh, it does smell really good. It smells like cucumbery. Oh my god, my sleeve's soaking wet. Cucumbery. Really nice. Boop. Lovely. Feeling fresh. So next, it tells me to use the eye cream. Here it is, £4 for this eye cream, guys. 15ml. I think that's pretty good deal. So this tells you online to use this before a mask, which I find interesting. So I'm gonna give it a go. Ooh, just get a little bit out. I hope this doesn't. No, this doesn't smell, which is great because, well, I will admit that I do like a little bit of scent in my skincare products and not in eye creams, because my eyes do get really agitated. Probably from the fragrance. Put that in. Just feels really nice and hydrating. It doesn't claim to be like anti-wrinkle or anything, but just really nice, like basic eye cream. Nice. Yeah, it needs to sink in a little bit more, but it does give me a glow, and that's what it said it would do. So next is the gel mask, and this is for healthy looking glow and intense hydration, which is good for me because I have very dry skin. So peeling the little, that's one thing I do like, is a little peely, because you don't want to get half empty bottle, because the whole of London have tested. Oh gosh, I cannot get this off. Oh no. I got it off in the end, guys. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. Ooh, it's like a... it looks like this. I'm not saying any more. So it says, apply a thick layer on the skin and wait 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. I can do that. Oh, is this one? Again, smells really good. It does feel so nice on the skin. Sorry if I'm not looking at you guys. I'm kind of like looking in the mirror to kind of like see how I look. I get really dry around these like nostril areas. Just need a little bit more for my chin. I will say though, this is only 50 ml of a mask, and I imagine, especially if you're doing a thick layer, that you might go through this quite quickly, especially doing it the 2 to 3 times a week that they're recommending. I never do a mask that long. I put it once a week, if that. But here it is. I'll be back in 15 to 20 minutes to see what it's done. All right, catch you in a bit, guys. So I'm back. I've washed the mask off my face. It wasn't like a peely mask or anything. It kind of felt a little bit tacky, and I just washed it off, and my skin feels so smooth, really nice. I am going to be interested to see, because I am concentrating some of the hydration here. God, I keep touching my nose, stop it. But yeah, I get really dry here, so I'm really interested to see how these try and sort that situation out, but we'll find out. And finally is this the moisturizer, basically moisturizing cream, 50 ml, which is a very generous size for a moisturizing cream. Charlotte Tilbury's biggest size, £75 one, is 50 ml, so yeah, this is great. Well, this one was a lot easier to peel off. Does it? This does have scent in as well. I think the only thing that, oh, it's very thick. The only thing that didn't have scent in, I think, was the eye cream. So just bear that in mind. Oh, it's quite thick, but almost gel-like. See? Well, I might have got too much out. Oh, it's kind of a strange consistency. It might not be one that I would use maybe in the daytime. I will test this out under makeup, because I always have a problem with moisturizers balling up on me, like, please stop. And also for me personally, like, I don't wear foundation, so I like moisturizers to leave my skin looking lovely. Oh, yes, do need to get it right in there. So yeah, very glowy, if you can tell. I'm not doing this any justice. My hands are very moisturised as well. I think I might have squeezed a little too much moisturiser out, but I think that just shows that you don't need much moisturiser, so that will probably last you a really long time. Yeah, so I'll see you back in a week's time. Night, guys. So we're back 1 week later, and it has been an experience. So as you could tell by like the first video I took, I was really hyped about these products, and maybe I'm a little less so now. So just a little disclaimer, like obviously all skin types are different. I'm no dermatologist, so you know, take everything I say with a pinch of salt. Like I can only do, you know, so much research myself to find out kind of like, you know, whether these ingredients are like good or bad. So anyway, so first I'll talk about the products that I quite enjoy. So first up is the cleansing stick. I think this is really cute. For like £4, it's really great because, you know, I will use this for travel because it's not a liquid, so I won't need to put it in with, you know, your little baggie at security check-in. It did work pretty well. It didn't sting my eyes. So yeah, for £4, I think this was pretty good value. And then I did also quite enjoy the Radiance Tonic. I think a lot of tonics nowadays tend to have like AHAs or like acids in. They're more of like a peeling, kind of exfoliating tonic. Whereas this one's just a nice hydrating toner, which I think are quite difficult to find nowadays. So yeah, I think this is really nice if you're not looking for anything that will aggravate your skin. The ingredients are pretty placid, like you're not going to get major benefits from this, but it's also really nice just to add to your skincare routine. So for £4, I think, yeah, if you just want a little bit of extra hydration once you've cleansed your skin, this could be really nice. So up next is a category I'm going to call the so-so category. So that is the gel mask. Like it was okay. I didn't feel like it did anything. And for something that you have to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, like, it was just a bit pointless. I feel like this would be nice if you've got maybe like a younger sister or a younger daughter that really wants to try skincare, but they just want something, you know, basic that doesn't really do much, but you are putting something on. Maybe that's the only kind of reason I think maybe you'd purchase this. Yeah, so I wouldn't get this again. And to be honest, I'm probably not going to use it up. I might just, you know, give it to someone that's interested, or someone a bit younger that might just enjoy like experiencing trying facial masks, even though they don't really have any benefit. And then finally, a category that I didn't think I was going to have is just no-nos. And that's both the moisturising products, the eye cream and the moisturising cream. So disappointed in these. So I've obviously got makeup on today, but if I didn't, you'd see loads of like little tiny red pimples and like spots all over my skin, like way more than I usually get. Like I do get a couple of like spots here and there, but like they're just little tiny block pores ever since I started using these. And I guess it could be any of the other products as well, but just from like looking at the ingredients, there's a lot of like dimethicone and like silicones and petroleum, just like a lot of like cheap kind of filler ingredients that aren't particularly good for your skin. I kind of wish before I bought them I kind of had a look at the ingredients before trying them. I just think there's got to be better products out there, even if they're maybe £1 or £2 more. They would be so much better than these, and it just really sucks because obviously it'd be so nice for the whole range to work really well. I think the other products that I've talked about are really nice, but it totally let down by these moisturizers. Like they just kind of, especially the moisturizing cream, it feels more like a primer. Like I would use this, maybe I'll try it out as a moisturizing primer, just because of the amount of like silicones it has in its ingredients. Just the list of ingredients that this has is insane. And the same with the eye cream. Like it didn't sting my eyes or anything, but I didn't notice anything decent. And then, you know, getting the pimples and stuff, that's like the opposite you want from skincare. So yeah, a few hits and misses. I tried these out for a week, so obviously
Maybe if you tried them out for longer, you know, you might have noticed maybe some more benefits. But for me personally, I will not be going back to these. I will be just going back to my tried and true favourites. Let me know if you've tried them though, and like how you got along with them in the comments. Like maybe you had a really great experience with them, but for me personally, I won't be recommending them. So if you like these kind of videos, I do plus size fashion, beauty, hauls, lifestyle videos, so please subscribe. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment as to like what skincare recommendations you recommend. Hope you're staying safe, guys. Bye.